Hey guys, welcome back to another video and today what we are going to do is another tutorial for HTML language. So last time I told you how to add this button, but it looks so dumb. Uh, if Minecraft used this button, then no one would buy Minecraft. If Fortnite used this, no, Fortnite is free. Yeah, if Fortnite used this button, then no one would ever try to download it. So it looks pretty dumb. Uh, Steam, no, not Steam. Minecraft buttons. Those are really nice buttons. Let me tell you. Uh, Wait, let it load. See, so good weapons. Weapons. I'm saying good. They're so good buttons. What the hell is happening? Okay, see, such good buttons. Right? So Minecraft uses so attractive buttons, but this button is really like. Are you kidding me? It looks so dumb. So today what we are going to do is replace this thing with an attractive button. Like in my website, uh, if you want to visit, then just I'll give you the link in the description. Okay, if you want to visit this. Okay, so see, these are attractive buttons, not so much attractive, but I'm a beginner. Okay? I'm also a beginner. So what I did, I for making attractive buttons. Wait, let me tell you. For making attractive buttons, we need to make a class first of all. After making a class, we should. Okay, first of all, let's remove this button. We don't need it anymore. Uh, See, one nice. Okay, then. Let me tell you, for making attractive buttons, for making buttons, not this type, some other type of buttons, whatever you want to do, we we should make first of all a class for the buttons. That class should be made in a style tag, and style tag should be placed after closing the head tag and before starting the body tag. I hope you understand. I cannot teach you in a better way. So here I have made a space here. Here we should add the class. So what I did, from my website, I copied this code. This code is made by me only, but I don't want to write this again. So I copied this code, and at last I closed the style code and copied the whole thing. So let's do it now. Okay. Uh, Control V. See, here it is, the style tag, style closing tag, and the class. So this is the button class. This is the name of this class. Okay, now it looks better. Now what we are going to do is, for making an attractive button, a different button, again I'm saying, we cannot use the input type. uh, we don't use this. Wait, what the hell happened? But let it be, we don't use this. Just telling you, we don't use this. uh, Instead, we don't use the input tag at all. Okay, so for that we need to use the a tag, and in the a tag we need to define the class. So href, again I'm telling you, it gives the youtube.com. Now it's perfect. It gives the youtube.com. Okay, then we will write class equals, class is button. Class name is button. uh, okay, so also let me tell you, I max made this font bigger. I don't know why, but I did it. Okay, I don't know why, but I did it. Okay, so here is now we will write the text we want to write there. So I wrote here www.youtube.com. Now we will write visit YouTube. Wait, visit YouTube. Then we will close the A tag and our website will be ready to go. See, visit YouTube. So should we try it? It works. See, and if you want to change it to some other website, like let me change it to Google, then you can simply type here Google. It will still remain visit YouTube as long as I have written here YouTube. uh, Visit Google. See, Google came. Okay, so this is it. And this is a pink button. We can make it another button also, like if you want to make it lime, then we can go here and lime HTML code. We need codes for adding colors. So this is the code for, wait, this is the code for lime color. Right, came lime. So like this we can change. And so for today this is enough for this video, I think. If I keep making videos like this, making teaching two things, then it will like I will only create 5 tutorials and that would be enough. No, I'm kidding, I'm just kidding. HTML is vast. So I mean, I want to make at least 20 tutorials. So for this tutorial, teaching one thing is, for me, it's okay. And let's close it. Also, if you want to know that how can I bring my website to internet, so in the first tutorial I told you we need a domain name for that. Hostinger.in. This thing I'm not sponsoring it. Okay, first thing, I'm not sponsoring it. I'm just telling that this is a website where you can buy. You, if you want to buy from another website, then you can just go and type buy domain name. Okay, so we need we need a domain name. Domain name is something like google.com. Then the another thing we need is website hosting. So on website hosting, what they do is bring your website to the internet. Okay, to your domain name. Like if you type google.com, then on the google.com you will receive the same thing as you wrote in your website hostings file manager. Website hosts file manager. So start now. So here we can select the web hosting for us. The first one, web hosting, does not contain free domain name, so you will need to buy another domain name. This one is 120 per month, and 120 rupees per month, and you will receive unlimited monthly visitors. First of all, what comes 1 lakh monthly visitors. So if your website becomes so much popular, then it will give you unlimited monthly visitors. Then here it is SSL certificate. Like sometimes it comes here not secure. So if you have a have an SSL certificate installed to your domain website, then here will come lock sign. If you don't have, then here will come not secure. So this is it. And domain name is free with this for 1 year only. I don't know why, for 1 year only. So like this you can bring. I will also post a tutorial for how to get free web hosting and how to get free domain name. So I personally use free domain names and web hosting for my websites. Like see this website I made. I made a quiz for my friends. I shared it to them. Start and see. This is a quiz, and okay, so like this is it is. So this is also free domain and free web hosting. So like this it is. So thanks for watching, guys, and again for the next tutorial, stay tuned. Click the subscribe button, and and click on the notification bell icon so that you never miss a tutorial. And for today, this is enough. Thanks. Bye bye.